Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter with her black look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Okay, first of all, for the hairstyle, you can put on this hairstyle and then you're going to make it black. Then you're going to choose only bangs, and then for this hairstyle, you're going to make it black. And this bang, you're going to do this adjustment. Okay, and you're going to put on this earring, make it black. And then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to go to the currency item. Okay, and I'm going to put on this top, and we're going to remove the lace, the gem, and also the bow. And then we're going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it black as well, and for the third selection make it black, and for the last selection I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves from the witch set, this one guys, and I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the world culture update, and I'm going to put on this boots, and then we're going to make it black for all the selection, like this. It's almost done. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to the currency item, and I'm going to put on this heels. Okay, this is from the Madoka set. Okay, you're going to make it all black. Okay, and I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to put on this item. And for this item, I'm going to make it this purple color. Okay, this is for the color code. And I'm going to put on this skirt, make it black. Then we're going to go to the next area. I'm going to put on this item from the summer update. Okay, we can buy this skirt with seashells. But actually you can skip this item if you haven't bought this item from the summer update. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to put on this item, and I'm going to make it black. For the white part, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to put on this top king, and then make it black. And I'm going to put on this skirt, and I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this knife. Okay guys, and now it's done. But wait, I think I need to change it to black so it can match with the other one. Oops, sorry. For this one, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter with this black outfit and dress to impress without the IP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!